Hey guys, and welcome to day 6 of Stitchmas. Just so you know, if my eyes look a little dark to you underneath, it's because I just couldn't scrub the mascara off anymore. We went to my husband's work party last night, and I got a little fancied up, and I mean, I've scrubbed and scrubbed, but it's just not coming off. So this is it for today. This is the look. Halfway through Stitchmas, if I can, I'm going to try and insert a picture over here of my fancy dress. We stopped at the grocery store afterwards, and I was like, I never got a picture of myself in my new dress. So I made my husband take this. I am having such a good time with Stitchmas. I hope you are too. And I'm excited to see what we get for day 6 of Stitchmas. Let's get into it. All right, it's day 6. I think you recognize our box. It's getting pretty empty here. Oh, good golly, it's right there. Day 6. I don't know what this is. I don't know. We already got an ornament. My first thought was maybe ornament. I don't know. Let's get into it. Let's just open it and find out. Huh. What are these? Oh, they're like little tubes for your notions. That's cool. You could put like your darning needles in here. That's cool. I don't know what else you could put in these little tubes. Let's just dump them all out in my hand here. Oh, we've got these 4 little tubes, and these could be really helpful because as we're building our project bags, these would be great for our needles. I don't know what else you could put in these. Tell me your suggestions in the comments. What could we put in these cute little tubes? And they're not huge. I guess if you wanted to store your chapstick in there, maybe. They're pretty cute. Also, we got... Oh, okay. I get it now. Because these would hold your darning needles. This is your threader. And then what is... Oh, this must be like a little cutter. That's kind of cool because yesterday we were talking about what do you use to cut your yarn? This is another option, if you don't use scissors. That is cool. I really like that. They're all fancy. And, I mean, it's kind of like we're building our own yarn bag. When you think about it, we've got a project bag, and we've got a project. We've got all sorts of notions. So this was very cool. These are cute. They're very well themed. I keep saying it, and I'm probably going to say it a few more times. I'm just loving the theming of everything and the color scheme and how everything goes together. Well, that's pretty cool. Thanks for tuning in. Let's go talk about what we're adding to our project bag. So, to our bag today, I guess I should say box. To our box today, I'm going to add the next essential thing. I'm trying to, as we're building this bag, I'm trying to think of it in terms of the things you need most essential to least essential. So day 1 we talked about bags. Day 2 we talked about hooks. Day 3 we talked about my box. Day 4 we talked about my finger thing. Day 5 we talked about the scissors. I feel like stitch markers are the next essential thing that we have to add. I like these from Clover. They're jumbo locking stitch markers. These are my favorite. Now, in some of my kits, I have a pack of the jumbos and I have a pack of the regular size. I do really like these because the plastic is a little softer and they're easier to open and close. Because I've had stitch markers in the past and they were kind of a really hard cheap plastic, and sometimes when my Hulk hands would go to close the locking part, they would snap. These I like. I've never broke one. I think that they're perfect in my project. They don't snag my yarn. These are my favorite. These are my go-to. So we're adding these today to our box. And I want to take a minute, if you've been with me for the first 6 days of Stitchmas and you're going to keep watching, thank you so much. I hope you're subscribed, and I hope you hit that notification bell, and I hope you can like this video. So, until tomorrow, take care.